Hello, my name is Toyana Thompson. I am the Market Manager for USDA's Farmers Market. The market has been in operation for 26 years, located in Washington, D.C., alongside the National Mall. It was important to the market team that we still reach our target audience to share useful market information during the off-season. In the coming months, you will see creative content that you would typically see on market days. Anything from informational fact sheets about farmers markets, the importance of local food consumption, to fun veg videos. Stay tuned and follow along with us.